independent and her bag, oh, I love that. She made these other bitches mad, oh, I love that, I love that, I love that.
What's up, YouTube? It's me, Cashni, the one and only. Hi guys, how are you? If you read by the title, this is an Amazon wig, and this is going to be like a beginner friendly tutorial. If not, just a regular tutorial on how I installed this wig. I'm not gonna hold you. Like, I started off wig influencing by working with Amazon companies, and this one would be probably one of my like top favorites. And I'm not gonna lie, the thickness that's in it, like literally from the top to the bottom, I'm not getting paid to promote this video on YouTube, like not on here, but I wanted to share it with y'all. This is those lace, baby, T looking like my damn scalp. Yeah, I just really want to show y'all how I turn like $100 wig and some change looking like a $500 wig. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like it, comment your favorite part about it, share with your friend, your stylist, whoever, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification if you fucking with this. But I love y'all. If y'all have any other content ideas, let me know in the description below. But hope to see you in the next video, and let's jump into the tutorial. Bye.
Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared. Maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place, or how it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you never come to me? team. Say something you would never do. I fucking suck up no but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian, I'll be turning up. Oh, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, I wanna turn up.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, he need be relaxing, he ain't did your taxes. Yeah. We went triple platinum, won't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, want me to my ends. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? Should've knew I was coming, just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest, he's me and running. I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got to respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. Had it all.